హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, క్లబ్ ఆన్లైన్ ట్రైనింగ్ కోర్సెస్ ఫర్ ప్రైమరీ టీచర్స్లో భాగంగా కోర్స్ 1 ఇంగ్లీష్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో క్వశ్చన్ నిన్న దీక్షలో అప్డేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇంగ్లీష్ మోడల్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో యాక్టివిటీ గురించి ఈ వీడియోలో మనం తెలుసుకుందాము. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కొరకు ఈ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. పక్కనున్న బెల్ సింబల్పై ప్రెస్ చేసి ఆల్ బెల్ సింబల్పై ప్రెస్ చేయండి. నోట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ మోడల్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో కేవలం అవగాహన కొరకు మాత్రమే. దీక్ష ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ద్వారా సమాచారం సేకరించడం జరిగింది. క్లబ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో క్వశ్చన్: ప్రిపేర్ ఎనీ 2 యాక్టివిటీస్ ఫర్ టీచింగ్ వొకాబులరీ ఫర్ క్లాస్ 3. Write a detailed note on uses of substitutional tables in teaching English. Suggest teaching strategies for conduct of fun time activities in class 1 and 2. Prepare any 2 activities for teaching vocabulary for class 3. Activity 1. Teacher asks the children to stand in a row. He or she tells the order or positions of their places. He or she asks the children different questions to know the order of their places. Kumar stands in first place. Rani stands in second place. John stands in third place. Sony stands in fourth place. Hama stands in fifth place. Who is standing in third place? Who is standing in fifth place? Etc. Activity 2. Teacher asks the children, observe the given picture carefully. He or she asks the children to read the pictures with order of their positions. Finally, ask them to fill in the blanks. The first woman is a driver. The second woman is a barber. The third woman is a cobbler. Write a detailed note on the uses of substitutional tables in teaching English. A substitution table is when a teacher provides a table giving model sentences with a range of choices for learners to select from using a set pattern. It is a very useful scaffold resource which extends the speaking or writing skills of learners and can be used as a reinforcement of newly acquired language. Substitution tables can be used to scaffold talk, to scaffold writing, to support development of a particular grammatical feature. Substitution tables are laid out in a grid and the learner moves from left to right, making a selection in each column in order to construct a sentence. They can be made up of single words, images, a mixture of words and phrases images, a mixture of words and images. How substitution tables work? Substitution tables can be used to support talk and provide a scaffold which enables learners to speak or write in grammatically correct sentences. They are often used to provide an opportunity for independent work for learners who are new to English. However, they can also be used by pairs or groups where they can encourage learners to develop and extend speaking and listening skills within the context of a curriculum topic and provide an opportunity for meaningful communication. Think carefully about what the language function is that the learner should practice. Example: describing, explaining, recounting, reporting, comparing. If the language function is comparing, for example, the substitution table columns might be list of singular or plural nouns, list of comparative adjectives. Make sure the list of possible words they are choosing from is made up of useful curriculum related vocabulary that learners should practice. Substitutional tables examples. My bicycle is at the bridge. Another example. The Wright brothers flew kites. Substitution tables are useful in all curriculum areas for any age range and can be used with early learners from new to English to competent. Another examples. Third question. Suggest teaching strategies for conduct of fun time activities in class 1 and 2. Learning outcome. The child will be able to recognize letter and sound of I and small I and write them. TLM. Textbook, flashcards, tamarind seeds and stones. Teaching strategies. Teacher asks the children, observe the textbook, page number 4. He or she asks the children to read the letter after him or her. He or she shows the flashcards
using
of letter
tamarind
I
seeds
and small
or
I
stones.
and asks them to read. Activity 1. Teacher asks the children to set letter I and I. In this case, teacher can draw dots on the floor or bench. Activity 2. Teacher asks the children to look at the picture and the letters. He or she asks the children color them. Activity 3. Teacher asks the children to find I and small I from the given picture. He or she asks the children color them. Teaching strategies for conduct of fun time activities prepared in class 1. In the same way, we can prepare for the class 2. Thank you for watching Sri Gupta YouTube channel. For more updates, please subscribe and like my channel and share my videos to all. Thank you.